What are you eating?
Apple.
Thank you. An apple?
Yeah.
What kind of apple?
One.
Let me see it. Can I have a bite?
Yes, one bite. Okay?
Just one bite?
There.
Man, that's good.
Whoa.
That is good, man. Where are we going?
This way.
Okay. It's beautiful out,
Oh,
huh?
we're going to get bumpy. I want to go there.
Hey, don't steer. I steer. Crazy girl. Uh-oh, bump. Oh, my goodness. What is up, y'all? So, I got a Mavic Air 2, baby. My second one. I loved that drone so much, I went and got another one. Yeah, don't do the emergency shutdown, emergency propeller stop. Just don't do it. Don't try it. It's, you know, it might eat away at you, but I hope my video helps you guys just not make that mistake. It did not recover. I think maybe if I would have hit more up stick, like elevator, like really smashed the throttle, maybe it would have recovered. But man, it's so nerve-wracking when you try it that it's just not worth it, because you're just so nervous. You don't handle the situation well at all. I mean, I was just a nervous wreck trying it. Don't recommend it. Doesn't matter how high you are, it's just not high enough to feel comfortable. Anyhow, let's check out the unboxing of my second Mavic Air 2. And on this one, I was smart enough. Make sure that you guys get the DJI Care refresh. It's like $69 or $70 or something, or $80, but you get 2 replacements in your first year, and if you don't use them, you can redo it for Refresh Plus, and you can still use them on the second year of owning the drone. As long as you don't completely lose it, unless there's some type of onboard failure that you have in your logs on your device or your phone. But as long as you don't completely lose it, they will replace pretty much any type of damage. Crash damage, water damage, anything, as long as it's not like in the fine print. If there's like a uprising or a resurgence, or you get bombed by like a B-52 bomber during a wartime scenario, it's not covered. It literally says that. But everything else is pretty much covered from what I've seen. So anyhow, let's check out this unboxing video. Hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm going to be coming out with more Suron related content very soon. It's going to be beautiful this weekend. I'm waiting on that one-up stand, that one-up bike carrier, so I can take it to some awesome locations. But for now, we'll just cruise around. We'll have an awesome time. We're going to have an amazing weekend. Please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Watch all my videos. Put them on repeat. And I appreciate the support. The channel's growing. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Love you. Let's do the unboxing. Here we have it, Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. I liked it so much that I got another one after crashing it into the river. Let's look at that video real quick. Well, y'all, just so you know, I'm not making this shit up. I got it between my feet, baby. So yeah, got another one after crashing into the river. I actually was able to salvage this battery from my last setup, so I got one extra battery. Awesome. Always save your boxes, always save your receipts. Do not reuse your batteries if you crash them, and do not reuse your drone unless you want to. I got a brand new one. I got my scissors here. Let's do a quick unboxing of my second. You heard me correctly. I like this drone so much that I got the same one again. So here's what you can expect. It's like an airtight seal. Ugh. There you go. Pull the bag out. And the first thing I do is I take this stupid strap off. I'll tell you that right away. I cut it right off because I hate it. I like it just like that. So strap's gone. Now, I cut this off, that's gone. Next, I open up my bag here. I think pretty much everything's in the bag that you need. You're gonna have your drone with all your little stickers on it. Pop these covers off. Pop these covers off. This drone is just beautiful, folks. The fit and finish of this thing is just awesome. Pull these little stickers all off. There's stickers all over there, so you got one on each arm. You got a battery already in it. All the stickers come with batteries on them. You want to charge the batteries fully before you fly this thing, and you also want to update the firmware on your batteries as well as the firmware on your drone. Okay, so we're going to have the controller in this box, but let's go ahead and take the rest of these little stickers off of here. Another sticker on the bottom there. Sticker here. Don't even know why that one's there. Sticker here. It's like they just put stickers on this thing just for fun. I think DJI just loves stickers. There's another one on that arm. Another one on that arm. And let me show you guys something really important here. So we're gonna get, there's our controller. And I take all this foam crap and I just get rid of it. Okay. You don't need it. We should have propellers somewhere in here. Okay, here's our propeller box. Take our props out. Now, I want to show you something. Open up your main prop bag. This is very, very, very important. This is the second most important thing about this drone other than shutting the motors down, doing the emergency shutdown, and crashing it into a lake, okay? Don't do that. So, you got a circle on that blade, okay? It corresponds, you see how you have a blackness here? And then you have a circle here. There's another sticker hiding out on us. You want the circle to match the circle, okay? So put it on like that. Make sure it clicks in. Listen. You're going to hear it click in. And then you're going to find another one without a circle somewhere. I guess that whole bag was circles. So there should be another bag of props in here without circles. You get 3 full sets of props with this thing, so you get 12 props. So these are without circles, I think. There we go. I'm just going through this because I don't want you guys to mess this up. This would be catastrophic if you do this part wrong. So there you have it. Without a circle. Without a circle. Grab one more with a circle. Put this thing together real quick. Pop a battery back in it. And there you have it, folks. Brand new DJI Mavic Air 2. I like this thing so much that I got the same exact drone. I would disable the automatic shutdown unless there's an emergency. There's 2 settings. You have the emergency setting and the non-emergency. Do it only if there's an emergency. Take your sticks out of the bottom here and you put them in here. And this radio for this drone to me is better than the smart radio. It's just an amazing radio. I love the design. I absolutely love that you just pull this out here and you take your wire out right here. And we have iPhone already in there, and it's just so easy to put your phone in this thing. Let me grab my phone. You literally, oh, just so y'all know, I still do have my Suron. We're going to be doing more videos with the Suron this weekend, I promise. So just hang in there. But yeah, I actually modified my phone case a little on the bottom to fit this charger. So you just go like that, bop. It's nicer than the smart controller. It's just super nice. It's perfect. It's awesome. There's nothing I don't like about this drone. The only thing I would change First of all, I want to cover, I'm going to be doing a detailed review video, but the 32-minute flight time is complete BS. This thing gets like 25 to 28 minutes. Less if you're going really hard, but still incredible flight time. 2 thumbs up, but not 32 minutes. I've never once got a 32-minute flight. I even flew it from my residence, went up 400 feet, and just let it hover for a whole battery, and just hovered there, and I think it got like 28 minutes. The bag's really nice, the batteries are really nice, the build quality is really nice, it's very strong, it's sturdy, it's durable, it's just as strong as the Pro, it's just as strong as the Mavic 2 Pro. Cheaper, the pictures are wonderful on it, the videos are wonderful on it. I took this picture up here, I took that picture with it, which just turned out awesome. That's like 30 by 20 or something like that, almost 2 feet by 3 feet, something like that. It's huge. The picture's ginormous. Turned out really nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Please make sure your propellers are on the right spots, and make sure that you do not ever go like this unless you want it to be game over, or like this. Do not do this at the same time, and do not do this at the same time. If you want to know why I say that, check out my last video, please. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let's get a little thumbnail shot, and I'll see y'all next time. CJ Moto out of here.